Friday night. We're at Trails. We're testing.
Testing.
Talk loud.
Testing.
Testing for what?
Just checking a couple of shift points. We're in gear, trying a few things to see if it will work or not with the car. So that's the game plan.
Here we go. What was the 60 foot?
142.
Yeah, I'm like, whoa.
But that's not bad. What we run, we lost 2/10 in the 60 foot.
Exactly.
So we'd have been in the 40s.
Lance didn't get a hold at all.
Yeah, I let go of the button and it just spun. That's what killed my light.
Yeah.
All right, what happened first pass besides blowing it out of the water?
Blew the tires off of it.
Blew the tires plumb off of it.
Turned it down a little bit. Got it turned down a little bit. And lowered the tire pressure half a pound. So the track's not that great tonight, so we'll see how it works.
That was better. What'd your 60 foot do?
127.
All right.
Three in it, you know. So Jim and I are out here this morning. We're going to finish. We've been talking about putting an air hose reel in, and so we don't have to carry the tank out all the time. So we figured we'd take today and run the line and put it all in and get it knocked out because we definitely been needing it, haven't we?
Yes.
So good old Amazon special.
Good organization.
Okay, well we got it in here. So this is where we're at. We got it installed. Got to put a thing on it so it holds it up against the wall. So when we travel, it kind of holds it so it don't bounce around. So, but it come out pretty good. There's a couple things we need to do, but we're getting there.
Okay, everybody, I'm out here working on the truck today. It's Sunday. And as you can see, I'm out here grinding the paint off of the bed. Did a little primer and bodywork on the cab using epoxy primer. So you can see it grinding out. I still got to get the body line, get in there. Going back here to the back, you can see I got the back of the bed done about 3/4 of the way. So that's what I'm doing, making dust. So thanks everybody. Okay, this is I'm gonna stop here today. Got some ribs on the smoker, so do that, get Safety Sally fed. So that's the progress I've made for today. Thanks everybody. Remember to like and subscribe. Appreciate it.